Rejected because of bad credit? Don't worry, you're not alone, and there is a way out. In this video, I'll share proven strategies to get fast loan approvals, even with poor credit, whether you're in Canada or the USA. But that's not all. Make sure you stick around until the end, and don't forget to check the video description below for valuable resources, tools, and links to help you continue your financial journey. Let's dive in. Having bad credit doesn't mean you're out of options. Both Canada and the US have lenders and strategies that can help you secure funding quickly. Whether you're looking to rebuild your credit or just need emergency funds, this video will break down insider tips to get approved fast. The first step is knowing your credit score. In Canada, you can access your credit report through Equifax and TransUnion, while Americans also have Experian. Sites like Credit Karma provide free tools in both countries. Once you have your report, check for errors. These are more common than you think and could be dragging your score down unnecessarily. Traditional banks may not be your best option if your credit is poor. Instead, focus on credit unions, which often have more flexible requirements, or online lenders like Borrowell in Canada and Upgrade in the US. These lenders are more likely to consider factors beyond your credit score, such as income stability. There are ways to boost your approval odds instantly. Adding a co-signer with good credit can make a huge difference. Offering collateral or a larger down payment can also improve your chances. And don't forget, lenders look at your debt-to-income ratio, so focus on lowering your monthly obligations if possible. If traditional loans aren't an option, consider alternatives like peer-to-peer lending platforms, which are popular in both Canada and the US. Be cautious with payday loans. They're fast, but the interest rates can trap you in a cycle of debt. Always read the terms carefully. Think long-term. Use this opportunity to rebuild your credit. Secured credit cards and credit builder loans are great tools. In Canada, companies like Refresh Financial can help, while in the US, look for companies like Self. Making on-time payments on these accounts will show future lenders that you're a reliable borrower. Now that you know how to secure fast loan approvals, even with poor credit, it's time to take action. Remember, your credit challenges don't define you. These strategies are here to help you take control and move forward. And don't stop here. Check out the video description below for valuable resources, tools, and links to help you on your journey to better financial health. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on tips to improve your finances. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.